Good afternoon. So let me go ahead and share with you here what we're going to be doing for our goal setting for Strive. In case you have not been able to put your goals in, we see that we have a goals tab here and we have an evaluations tab here. Our suggestion is to simply forget about the goals tab and go strictly with the evaluations tab. However, should you have used the goals tab, that's not a problem. I'm going to show you how to attach your goals when you go back to your evaluations tab. So let's go over the evaluations tab first. Here is where we see what needs to be done. We have our needs form assessment. I have 1 out of 1 required, and you can see here that I put several here as an example. So when you open up that form, this is what you see, and many of us are familiar with what this form is. So you can go ahead and fill that out. Make sure you submit to your appraiser. Now, to add a goal, what you would do is you would go ahead and hit your plus sign right here. And here is where you would go ahead and type in your goals. So I'm going to give an example here. It says, what is your goal? Increase technology in classroom. Okay, and it says here, how will you know when you have accomplished your goal, or what would this look like? Successful integration to enhance lessons and build a culture of users. I don't know, something like that. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and pick the standards here that you want to address. Is this going to be content, knowledge, and expertise, goal setting, professional demeanor? I'll go ahead and pick classroom culture, but also you have to pick an action. It says what tasks are required for this goal to be complete. You must require, or you must add at least one action. And what I'll do here is I'll click here and I'll just put become Google Educator Certified. Okay. Now you will also need to put a date here. And you notice how you don't see the little calendar, but if you hover over right here, you can click on that and you can go ahead and put your goal. Make sure it is a goal that's going to be attainable. This will give you a timeline also for that goal. So I'll just go ahead and pick April 26th and I'll hit save. There you go. So now I can go ahead and submit for approval, and I'll go ahead and pop that in. It says, do you want to submit this for approval? You will still be able to make changes to the goal until it is approved. So even though you submit it, if your principal has not approved it yet, you can go in there and you can make any changes necessary. So you click OK. So I'll go ahead and close. And if you notice here, I have my goal. I have submitted my goal. However, you still see 0 out of 2 and not a 1 out of 1 because your administrator, your appraiser, has not gone ahead to accept your goal. So they haven't clicked to confirm or whatever it is that is on their end. So now let me go ahead and show you, for whatever reason you may have added a goal here, which is completely okay. You can go ahead and do that. Professional goals. Let me go ahead and delete this. Here we go. Goals. It says here this user has no active professional goals. We're going to add a goal here, and I'm going to go with the same one. Use more technology in classroom. And the date that will be required here, I'll go ahead and put the 29th. What will this look like? More usage in class to promote digital learners. There you go, or something of that may go with that. Then you can go ahead and pick here your strand that you're going to be doing. I'll just go ahead and pick a strand here, goal setting, add an action, and I'll go with the same action, which was Google Certified Educator. There you go. And I'll go ahead and hit save. And I'll go ahead and submit for approval. Click OK, hit close, and there you go. Now, when you go to your evaluations tab, you're not going to see any professional goals there, but you notice that it says here, attach a goal. So if you click here, you can select the goal you want to attach. The goal that I wanted to submit was use more technology in classroom. So I'll click on that, hit attach, and there you go. So your goal will be here in your evaluations tab, ready for your administrator to go ahead and accept that goal and acknowledge that you have submitted something there. Now, if you have any questions at all whatsoever, you can go ahead and also click here, which is the question mark, which is for help. And you can go ahead and if you have questions on goals, it has the information here where it says add new goals or move goals to the evaluation process. And let me click on this so you can see what this looks like. They even have a little video here for you, and they have some screenshots that will walk you through the process. And as you notice, it's about a 3-click process as well. So I hope this video is helpful to many of you as you are getting ready to put in your goals. And should you have any other questions or concerns as far as the video is concerned or anything that I may be able to clarify, please let your administrator know, and your administrator will go ahead and contact me, and I can go ahead and go a little bit more specific on anything that you may need. Thank you very much and have a wonderful afternoon.